Welcome to VJ Chemistry. Last class we discuss GOC inductive effect, right? Electron effect, inductive effect discuss. Today we are going to discuss resonance. This is very important concept of resonance because during using resonance we can find out what the different factors, stability of molecules and reactivity of molecule, which molecule can be exist or not, okay? And different property we can explain using what resonance, okay? First we start. Why we need resonance structure? Please note. What is the need of resonance? Okay. Why we need resonance structure? We need a resonance structure. What is the need? A resonance structure. Please note, using single structure, using single structure, we cannot explain the property of compound. Explain the properties of compound. Therefore, we need what? The more than one structure to explain the compound. Therefore, we need more than one structure. At least 2 or 3 structure. More than one structure. One structure to explain properties. It's more than one structure. The more than one structure, that is called what? Resonance structure. That is called a resonance structure. Okay. For example, I take phenol. Okay. I take phenol. When phenol undergo chlorination, in the presence of AlCl3, Lewis acid, Cl2, and AlCl3. Okay. Again, I get benzaldehyde, CHO, benzaldehyde, and same chlorine, Cl2, AlCl3. And now, this first reaction, second reaction. In case of phenol, the phenol undergo chlorination, I get what? The two product, okay, two portion isomer, that is called ortho-para isomer, right? I get two isomer, that is called regio isomer. I get OH and ortho substituted chloro, then para substituted chloro, OH and Cl. In case of benzol, I get only one product specifically, that is specific reaction. I get what? Meta product. I get meta product. Okay, Cl. Now, using the phenol, I get what? The two isomer, that is called regio isomer. I get regio isomer. Okay. In case of benzol, I get what? Specific product, that is meta product. Specific. This is ortho. One come out to ortho. This is para portion. This meta portion. Okay. Now, using this single structure, okay, using this single structure, we can explain what? Why the phenol to give two product? Why benzaldehyde to give one product? Okay, this factor is explained by what? Resonance. Therefore, we need more than one or two structure to explain which position the electrophile can attack. This Cl plus electrophile, right? Which type of reaction this is? Electrophilic substitution reaction, right? Substitution reaction. Now we have to know which position electrophile won't what attached, right? That factor can explain by what? The resonance. Okay. This question I will explain the later manner. I'm going to explain the property of resonance first. Okay. Please note. Okay. Resonance. Resonance. What is the notation for resonance? It's double-headed aroma, right? It's a double-headed aroma. This is a notation for what? Resonance. Please note. Just wait. Double-headed aroma. Now, delocalization. What is called resonance? Delocalization. What is delocalization? Movement. Okay. Delocalization of electrons. Which electrons? It should be paired electrons. Paired. Which paired? Pi electron. Paired electrons or unpaired electrons. Unpaired. What is unpaired? Lone pair electron. Only without changing the position of atom. Without change in position of atom. In position of atoms. Listen, during resonance what? Only what? The electron undergo delocalization. The atom never change without changing the position of atom. Only what? The delocalization of which electron? It should be pi electron should be what? Lone pair. I give an example. Basic example. I take benzene. Is undergo what? Resonance structure, right? Shift. They go shifted the bond. And I get what? One more resonance structure. Then finally we can write what? This like, right? Now understand. Listen. This is 1 and 2. This 1 and 2. They are resonance structure. Okay? They are what? Resonance structure. The resonance structure. Now this is what it, listen, please note. The resonance is imaginary, not real. Please note. The resonance is not real. Resonance is not real. It's not real. It is imaginary only. It is imaginary. Okay, it is imaginary only. Imaginary. Okay. This structure. I take 3. This is called hybrid. Okay, this is hybrid structure. Hybrid structure. Hybrid structure. This is actually real. This is real. Understand? This is real. In the delocation in the process line, the 1 in the 1 and 2 this is imaginary. Okay, electron movement we cannot find out, right? We take pendulum. This is not real, right? Move is moving what? All the direction, right? Slowly. Similarly, in case of organic molecule or in case of pi bonded molecule or lone pair molecule, they undergo what? Delocalization. The delocalization process is a imaginary process. It's not a real. Okay. Now, actually, the hybrid orbital is real. A second example, or C double bond O and O minus, then or C, okay, just wait, O minus. Now, this undergo delocation, this like, right? Can undergo what? Similarly, this. We can write what? We can write this like, or C O overall minus, right? This is hybrid structure. This is hybrid structure. This complete delocalization. It is complete delocalization. Therefore, it have low potential energy. Therefore, it should be more stable compared to compared to this 1 and 2. This is more stable. Okay, this 2 are what? Resonance structure. This is RS resonance structure. This is imaginary. This is imaginary only, not real. Okay, it's imaginary. Now, this is what the example for resonance. Now, what is the requirement for resonance? Okay, which type of molecule undergo resonance? Please important. So, requirement for resonance. This note. That is requirement for resonance. Okay, what is the first requirement? Please note. The planarity of molecules, very important. Planarity. What is planarity? It should be sp2 carbon or sp carbon. Okay. When the molecule to possess planarity, it should be a conjugated system, right? Second point. It should be conjugated system. Conjugated. What is conjugated now? There are 5 types of conjugated system. Okay, conjugated system. How much? There are 5 types of conjugated system. 5 types of conjugated system. What are the 5 types? Simple. First one, double bond, single bond, double bond. Double bond, single bond, double bond. First type. Second type, double bond, single bond, positive charge. CH2, double bond, CH2, CH. Then CH2 plus. Okay. Double bond, single bond, positive charge. And second conjugation, double bond, single bond, negative charge. Double bond, CH and CH2 and negative charge. Now, fourth system, double bond, single bond, radical. CH2, double bond, CH and CH2 dot. Then double bond, single bond, lone pair, heteroatom. Fifth condition, CH2 and double bond, CH and oxygen containing lone pair. Therefore, this is CH, or I take CH3. Okay, they are 5 condition for what? The system should be conjugated. What is 5 condition? Double bond, single bond, double bond, double bond, single bond, positive charge, double bond, single bond, negative charge, double bond, single bond, radical, double bond, single bond, heteroatom containing what? Lone pair of electrons. Okay, it's a condition. And third condition, for better resonance, please note, for better resonance, the orbital should be equal size and energy. Very important. Equal size and energy. And next point. Okay, the orbital parallel to the orbital parallel to each other for effective resonance. Okay, it's a very important condition. Now see, if I take 2p orbital, okay, this is 2p orbital, this is 2p orbital, both are 2p orbital. Okay, both are same energy, right? This is energy level. This is energy level. For assume this is a filled orbital. This is what? Vacant orbital. Now electron transfer to what? Both are same. Easily what? Electron transfer easily what? This filled to vacant orbital, right? It should be more effective. This is a good effective resonance. This is effective resonance. This is first case. In case of second, 2p and 3p, okay? This is energy level. This is 2p. This is 3p. Now, the 2p orbital, suppose in case of vacant, they containing a lone pair, this should be vacant. Now electron transfer to what? This direction, right? Therefore, should be energy level should be very high. This is poor resonance. It's a poor resonance. Okay. What is the condition? If the two energy levels are same size and same energy, it should be what? The more effective overlapping. I give an example. Okay, take CH2 and double bond and CH and O minus. Okay, this is A. I take one more other example, that is CH2 and CH double bond S minus. Now this is sp2, right? This is sp2, this is sp2 orbital. Continue vacant p orbital, right? I write vacant p orbital. I draw that this vacant p orbital. Which orbital should be what? This belong to 2p. This belong to 2p. Now oxygen is belong to what? 2p again, right? It's a field. I have lone pair. This is 2p. And sulfur belong to 3p, right? 3p. Now tell me, which give more effective overlapping? Both 2p, 2p and 3p and 2p, which give more effective overlapping? Therefore, the 2p, 2p is very strong overlapping, or strong resonance compared to what? The 2p and 3p. Therefore, okay, the A is more resonance compared to B, right? Effective resonance. This is called what? Effective resonance. It should be effective. Both, listen, both undergo resonance. Which should be more effective? Okay, the two involving orbitals should be the same energy and same size. It should be parallel. Both are parallel, right? Both are what? Parallel to each other. The species orbital the same undergo what? More effective resonance to give the more stability of the molecules. Okay. Next condition. During the resonance, okay, during the resonance, the atom must be, the atoms must obey octet rule. Octet rule. Listen, this rule, octet rule only for what? Second row element, not all element. Okay, this only what? For second row element. For sulfur, no octet rule. For phosphorus, no octet rule. Only what? Boron, carbon, nitrogen, fluorine. It's only for second row element, only for octet rule. Okay, the second row element only. Second row. What is second row element? We know boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. They are second row, right? This second row. We can apply for octet row only for second row, not what? Third and fourth and fifth row. Okay. For example, R N double bond O minus. This structure 1. Structure 2. Again, resonance structure. Then R double bond O minus and double bond O plus. This structure 2. Now, structure 3. R N double bond N double bond N. Okay. Now, how many electron? 2, 4, 6, 8. It's around 8 electron, right? Similarly, 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 electron, right? They are obey octet. It's obey what? Octet. Nitrogen belong to which period? Second period, a second row, right? For in this case structure, third structure. Now see. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That 10 electron, right? Listen, this is impossible because it is impossible. Why is impossible? Because nitrogen belong to which period? It should be what? The second period. The second period element never go forward above the octet. Okay. Therefore, it is not resonance structure. Therefore, it is third one. It is not a resonance structure. Okay, very important. This is not a resonance structure. At the same case, I go for another example. I take R, S, double bond O minus positive charge. Again, this first one. Second molecule, R and S and double bond O and double bond O. Now, 2, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8. This 8 electron. Its first structure obey octet. Is obey octet. Now, this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It should be 10 electrons. Now, this is possible. This is possible. Why is possible? Because the sulfur belong to what? The third period. Then never worry about the octet. Okay? About the third period, we never worry about what? Octet. Therefore, this is resonance structure. It is a resonance structure. Now, understand. For octet rule only applicable only for second row element, not third and fourth row element. Okay? Second row element the octet பார்க்கணும், third க்கு fourth க்கு பார்க்க தேவையில்லை. Okay வா? Listen, for EKSF6, how many electrons are 12 electron, right? Is above the octet. I take PCl5. The phosphorus around 10 electron, right? Above the octet. Okay, because this is a third row element, right? Third period element. It's a condition now. And now I'll give you the example, some few more example. Please note. When nitrogen, okay, then boron is HH, here CH3. Now, nitrogen carrying what? Lone pair, right? Sorry, this is lone pair. This is also 2p. Then this boron, which hybridization should be? Boron in sp2 hybridization, right? Therefore, what? One vacant p orbital. This is vacant p orbital. Now, both are 2p, right? 2p. What type of resonance is the lone pair to give electron to what? Vacant orbital. This type of resonance, vacant orbital. Okay. Now they undergo what? Resonance. It's a new type. Okay, most important, please. Most important. Now, what will happen? This will undergo what? The vacant p orbital of boron atom. Therefore, nitrogen and boron. Then this is minus. This is plus charge. Understand? Okay. Next topic, the type of resonance. What are the type of resonance? Please note. Next, type of resonance. We discuss inductive effect. Similarly, two type. We should be plus or effect. We should be what? Minus or effect. Type of or resonance. There are two type of resonance. One is plus R and minus R. Okay, please. Okay. One is electron releasing group or electron donating group. It should be plus R. Other is electron withdrawing group. It should be minus R. Okay, please note. What is electron releasing group? The atoms with n-type non-bonded electrons, lone pair electrons, and a negative charge. It should be what? Electron releasing group. For example, NH2 minus, NH2. Okay, next example, NR2. They are lone pair, right? NR2. Then OH minus, OH, lone pair. Then OR, lone pair, right? Then fluorine, chlorine, bromine, right? Halogens, X minus. Then S minus. Then O minus. This also what? Releasing group. Then CH2 minus. What about electron withdrawing group? There will be three different. Okay, please note. First one. The very important electron withdrawing group in this case of resonance structure. Please note. The first one. Okay, the cation with vacant orbital. This electron withdrawing group. Vacant orbital. Very important. Example, CH2 plus. Then PH3 plus. Okay, and second, the atom with vacant orbital is also electron withdrawing group. Atom with vacant orbital. Now see in this example, boron. This nitrogen is donor, right? This electron producing group. This boron is electron attracting group, pulling group, right? Therefore, it's electron withdrawing group because boron can vacant orbital, right? Because sp dehybridization. Atom with vacant orbital. Vacant orbital. Example, we know discuss BH2, right? BH2 containing what? Vacant p orbital. And third final one, very important, the group containing high electronegativity atom, high electronegativity atoms with pi bond. Pi bond with pi bond. I give the example on this slide. Okay, please note example. What is the example for this one? Third condition, C double bond O, right? Next example, C triple bond N, okay, and N double bond O. These are example for what? The electron withdrawing group. This is electron withdrawing group. We can, it's a minus R effect. Okay, this is very important. You put the star on this one. Okay, the group containing high electronegativity atoms with the pi bonds. Okay, now going to give the order. Okay, which is more plus R effect, which is give more minus R effect. Okay, please note the plus R effect order. The plus R effect order. Listen, almost plus R plus I same. Okay, minus R minus I same. But note the, okay, now see importance one I'm going to discuss. Okay. First O minus, then NH2 minus, very important, and OH minus, and OR minus, then NH, lone pair, right? COR, then O minus and COR, and F minus and Cl minus and Br minus. Please note. Okay, these are what? Electron releasing group. Why F minus is more? Because this also 2p, carbon also 2p, right? This was F minus very more compared to what Br minus and Cl minus. Don't worry about electronegativity. Listen, in this case, this oxygen also more. If you get oxygen, nitrogen, which is more electronegativity, oxygen, right? But it's able to donate the electron because they containing 2 electron-rich center compared to nitrogen. Similarly, the fluorine, chlorine, bromine. The fluorine belongs to 2p. This is 3p. This is 4p. Okay. Maximum resonance undergo what? in organic compound, right? Carbon. Carbon is which orbital? 2p orbital, right? Therefore, the 2p 2p is more effective over compared to what? 2p and 3p and 4p. Okay. But in this case, okay, the orbital is domination. The orbital size and energy is dominated, not electronegativity. Energy is dominated, it's not electronegativity. Okay, dominated. Very important point. Note, key point. Note the plus R group. The plus R group or ortho and para directing group. Very important. Ortho para directing group. Please note. Ortho para directing group for aromatic aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, substitution reaction. Very important. I will explain now. I give the first slide, right? How, why the phenol to give the ortho para product during the chlorination. Okay, please note now. I take this phenol OH, right? This is OH. We can a lone pair, right? Now see, double bond, single bond, lone pair. For conjugation system, right? Shifted to what? This electron. Then I get what? This type of resonance structure again. This here minus charge, then double bond, O, H and plus. Now again, do one more resonance. This shifted to here, this shifted to here, right? Therefore, I get what? I get here minus charge, plus in double bond, in O, H plus. Again, I do resonance. What? Again, this shifted to here, this shifted to here. Therefore, what? I get minus charge. Okay, and finally, I get what? Phenol again. Okay, this is structure. Now see. Okay, what is the overall result for this? Listen, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay, there are how many structure? The 3 resonance structure. Actually 4. We take this one. Listen, wait. There are 4 resonance structure. Okay, either you take first or last. Any one that no. This is 1, but this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Okay, this is not actually 1 and 1 6 5 year. Actually 1 and 5 is same. Therefore, what? How many resonance structure for this structure phenol? Answer is 4, not 5. Answer is 4. Okay, what is the main conclusion for this structure? We take the phenol. Now see, phenol. Just look the positive charge around the phenol atom. OH. Where is the positive charge present? Okay, where is negative charge present? Ortho position, right? Then this ortho, then again what? This para, right? Therefore, this is negative, this is negative, this is negative. Then I put electrophile. One attack what? An attack to either this position or this position or this position. This also ortho, this is para. Therefore, this OH group what? The ortho para directive group. As well as what? OH which group should be plus R group, right? It should be what? Plus R group. Now understand why we get the whenever the phenol undergo electrolysis, I get what? Regioism. What is regioisomer? I get ortho para product. In case of carbonyl benzaldehyde, I get only single product because it's a meta-adding group. I will explain in a slide. It should be the minus or effect order. Please note. It should be minus or effect order. The minus or effect order. Okay, please note. What is order? It should be C double bond O and CF3, then followed by NO2, and followed by C double bond OH, then C double bond OR, there were carbonyl group, then S double bond O double bond OR, and C double bond O OR, then C triple bond N, then C double bond O NH2. Okay, they are what? The electron withdrawing group. It should be minus or effect. Okay, note, key point. Note. What is important point we discussed previous? The minus R group. Okay, the minus R groups are Which directing should be what? Meta directing group. It should be meta directing group. Very important. Meta directing groups. Okay. Now see, the minus R group should be a meta directing group. I give you an example. I take benzol ligate. Listen. It's benzol ligate. Which directing group? Meta directing group. Okay. This factor explained by what? The resonance, right? Now you see. Okay. Now listen. Using this phenol single structure, we can explain, right? Which position can electrophile can attack, because okay, now using the resonance structure, we can find out, right, the ortho and meta and ortho and two ortho position, one para position, the negative charge on accumulation, right? Then electrophile can attack what? This ortho and para position. This explained by what? Resonance structure. It's application of resonance. Similarly, I take a benzol ligate. Now, we shifted to here, right? Therefore, what is structure? Carbon. Then it should be carrying positive charge, and C and O minus and R. And again, this electron shift to here, they're creating positive charge here, right? Therefore, carbon here positive charge, then C double bond O minus and R. And again, this electron shifted to this direction. Now, this positive charge. Now, then finally, carbon O minus and R. Okay, they are double bond, right? And double bond. Now, this electron shifted to again oxygen atom. This shifted to what? This I get original structure. I get original structure with delocalization of pi bonds. Then now, what is the result of this structure? What is the result? This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. Again, how many resonance structure? I get only the 4, not 5. This is not resonance structure, okay? It's not resonance structure. It's equal to 4. Now, what is the final conclusion? I take benzol ligate. Now see the resonance structure, okay? Now see the resonance structure. This is a benzol ligate. Now this ortho portion carrying positive charge. This para also okay, positive. Now we know very well. The electrophils what? Is electron deficiency species. Now in case of benzene, which position should be electron rich? It should be meta position, right? This electron rich position. And therefore, nuclear attack either this position or this position. Okay, therefore, this group is act as what? The minus R group. The minus R group is act as the meta directing group. You understand? Okay. I using the structure 1 and 2 and 3. I explained what? The property of CH group during the aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay. These are what? The type of resonance. Now, how to predict the stability of the resonance structure? That is called the rule for predicting the stability of order of the resonance structure. This concept. This was final concept in the resonance. Please, very important. This is most important. Ask the question. Okay, they give the 4 resonance structure, which is asking which is more stable. Okay, so most important. This type of question generally asking what? JAM as well as what? For exam. Please note the rule. The rule for predicting the stability, the stability order of resonating structure. Resonating structure. Now see. Okay. First know the key point. What is the key point? The resonance increases. The resonance increases. The stability of molecule increases. Very important. The stability of molecule increases. It's very important key point. Okay. Now, more number of resonance structure, the more should be more stable. Please note. The more number of resonance structure, the more the stability. The more number of more the resonance structure. Okay, more the resonance structure. Resonance structure, the more the stability. More the stability. Molecule more stable are more the stability. Now we are going to see the condition. Okay, what are the important condition for what? For resonance. Now please, first condition. Not conditions. Okay, stability. We have to determine the stability. Condition we discussed, right? What are the conditions should be? The 5 condition should be what? Parallel to each other. Okay. Now, first one. First one. The neutral species. Please note. The neutral structure, it should be more stable compared to what? Charge one. It's always predominated. Okay. Charge structure. So first condition. Charge structure. Which is neutral structure? This is called hybrid structure, right? Hybrid structure. Yes or no? Okay, I show, listen, wait, I will show the previous slide. This hybrid structure, okay? This is hybrid, right? This hybrid, okay? Among three, which is more stable? The 3 is more stable. And both are, there is no charge separation. Both are neutral, right? Therefore, 1 and 2 are same. Okay. Always what? The hybrid is to be more stable. Second condition. The compound with, very important, this is very important. The compound with more number of covalent bonds is more stable. The compound with more number of covalent bond is more stable. Is more stable. It's the second condition. More stable. Okay. We can apply all the rule, okay, to find out what? The stability of the resonance structure. Now, third condition. The positive charge on high electronegative atom. Okay, high electronegative atom. Similarly, negative charge on the high electron atom. Okay, the positive charge on low electronegative atom. In the condition this now, it should be what? The more resonance structure. It should be more stable resonance, RS resonance structure. I take RS. Third condition. And fourth condition. Okay, the opposites are closer to each other. The opposite charge closer. Okay, and same charge away from each other. Okay. The more stable resonance should be more stable resonance structure. Okay, I'll give you the example. Okay, these 4 rules, they are enough to what? Explain what? The property of the molecules. Now see. Fifth rule, very important. Okay. The structure with, we discussed already, but you note the structure with all atoms having a complete octet. Which row element should be second row? Okay, only second row, not what? Third and fourth row. Okay, the octets only applicable only what? The second row, not third and fourth and fifth row. Okay, now examples. First example, I take R, C, double bond O, an oxygen, and lone pair nitrogen. This first structure. I do the resonance. Okay, they shifted to here, right? Therefore, R and C here O minus and double bond OH plus. Now this is one. Which is more stable? One? We know very well, we discussed, right? Always what? The neutral is most stable compared to charge. Which is neutral? The first one is neutral, right? Neutral charge is first is more compared to second one. Now, I take this example. Double bond plus resonance structure. Okay. And double bond O minus plus. This is plus first, this second. Which is more stable? Okay. According to rule, which is more stable? The first is more stable, right? Please note the stability. The neutral is more stable, right? Stability. Which is more stable? The first one compared to second one. But the answer is wrong. Please, it's expression case. Please note, this is what? Expression case. Very important. This is expression case. Expression. Listen. In compound 2, in compound, the compound 2, okay, is aromatic. Is aromatic. In general, in general, in general, the aromatic compound is more stable, right? In general, the aromatic compound is more stable. Okay, therefore, what is stability order? Should be the second one is more stable compared to first one. புரியுதா? Listen, எப்ப வந்து ionic charge, ion charge species, எப்ப charge species வந்து aromatic-ஆ இருக்கோ அப்ப மட்டும்தான் charge வந்து more stable compared to neutral. Otherwise, always which is more stable. Neutral structure தான் more stable. ஓகேவா? நான் எப்ப வந்து charge species வந்து aromatic-ஆ இருக்கோ which is more stable. The charge, what is aromatic? We know very well. Obey Occam's rule, right? The 4n plus 2 pi electrons is obey this rule. They call aromatic system. Okay, I hope you enjoy this lecture. Okay, an upcoming video we're going to discuss hyperconjugation, and after hyperconjugation I'm going to discuss all the previous questions based on what electron displacement effect. Okay, happy learning and tata bye bye, and see you next video with the best concept. Okay, bye.